So I want you to spell bat.
B-A-T.
Spell he.
As in male?
Yeah.
H-E.
So put them together, what do you get? At that, your boy Flavor God. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today, we are basically out in the streets to ask some trick questions. Thank you for actually stay tuned for the last video I post. It go out itself, you see me? So, go on and run up this, like, share, subscribe, comment. Go on, we and a Flavor way. Stay tuned. At that, a Flavor got there, in the streets, we out there. To them, there with
One Piz. Malone.
Elder Daniels.
Smiley.
Elder Huntsman.
One Akeem, Big Boss.
Hamilton. Jocelyn Hamilton.
Alright, so today Mr. Hamilton, I'm going to ask you a few questions, okay?
Okay.
Nothing too hard.
Hey.
So, okay.
Let's go.
Alright, so the first question is, what runs around your house without even moving?
What runs around my house without even moving?
Yeah, it doesn't move.
That's a good question. It runs around my house.
And it doesn't move.
And it doesn't move.
Yeah.
Quite a few things I can think of, but they all move.
Just answer the question, okay?
Yeah.
Paint.
Are you serious?
Alright, so what runs around your house without even moving?
The sun.
Try again.
Run around the house.
Yeah, what runs around your house without even moving, or runs around a building without even moving?
Breeze.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Bro, even moving.
Yeah, without even moving, it no move, but it runs around your house or a building.
What that? Breeze.
Water.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Try again. It runs around your house without even moving.
Around our house without even moving. Electricity?
Ear? Ear? I don't know.
Okay.
What runs around a building or your house without even moving? Use your mind.
I run on a building or a house without even moving.
Yeah.
I could a tree, I could a dirt, I could a breeze.
What is the answer?
Dissolve!
I don't know.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
Think about it. What runs around your home or a building without even moving? It doesn't move.
Step.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
What runs around a building or a house without even moving?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't even know.
A few moments later.
Like the pipe.
The walls. Wall, I'm a fence. Fence that.
Good job.
A fence.
But me not fence on my yard, me have a step and the step no move. So me logically correct in a way.
I said around a house.
Oh shit, around. My
Get it?
body, yeah.
Alright. If you were blind, right? How do you ask for something to eat? Show me. Eh? Show me.
Alright, so I'm blind.
Yeah. Show me.
So I don't know if the person in front of me. Like somebody can they talk to me?
Yeah.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
So show me how do you ask for something to eat.
How the blood clot this? How the blood clot this?
Show me. Yeah.
Boy, you know, somebody I just stay at the roadside and stretch out my hand, so you see me?
Oh, shit. Here we go again.
So you stretch out your hand. So if you were blind, you'd stretch out your hand for ask something to eat.
What you mean?
How are you? Or can I have something?
Oh?
I would use my mouth.
Oh, okay, great. If you were blind, right?
Yeah.
How would you ask for something to eat?
Can I get something to eat, please?
Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go.
Sensational.
Spell the word bat for me.
B-A-T.
And spell he.
H-E.
So put them together. What do you get?
He bat.
Put them together. What do you get?
B-A-T-H-E. Batty.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
B-A-T spells.
Bat.
H-E spells.
He.
So B-A-T-H-E spells.
Bat he.
B-A-T-H-E spells. Say it with confident, like you're confident, like you know, confident.
Batty.
Yeah. So B-A-T-H-E spells.
Batty. Batty.
No. So put them together, what you get?
No.
What you get?
No, so let's do that.
Eh?
How the blood clot this? How the blood clot this?
Bati.
What you get?
Bati.
Alright, so B-A-T. B-A-T spell.
What?
H-E spell.
He.
So B-A-T-H-E.
Bati. Yo.
Gay!
So I want you to spell bat.
B-A-T.
Spell he.
As in male.
Yeah.
H-E.
So put them together, what do you get?
Let me use the Queen's English.
Yeah.
Bat he.
Yeah. So you put that. So B-A-T
B-A-T.
spells.
Bat.
H-E spells.
He.
You put B-A-T-H-E, what do you get?
You bat he.
Talo. Sorry.
But he.
So you put them together, what you get?
But he.
Alright. So B-A-T
But
H-E.
he.
B-A-T-H-E.
But.
Check off that, man. You get it, yeah? Yeah, do good, man. So we'll try it again.
Yeah,
so B-A-T
But
H-E.
he.
So B-A-T-H-E.
But he.
Sure?
100%.
No, God, please, no! No! No!
What do you get?
Be as bath or bathe.
Bat. Bathe.
Pow!
Spell bathe.
Bathe.
Mm.
B-A-T-H-E.
So B-A-T-H-E spells.
Bathe.
So B-A-T is.
Bat.
And H-E is.
He.
And two of them together is what?
Bathe.
I got you, homie!
So what can you step on with your right foot but not with your left foot?
I know gas pedal.
Think about it.
I'm thinking.
Shake it. Yeah, shake it.
Alright. Step on with my right foot. My right foot, but not my left.
Yeah. Like step, what can you step on with your right foot like this,
Mhm.
but not with your left foot?
Only my right foot alone can step on it.
Yes,
And the left foot can't do the same thing.
that's right.
I can only step on my right with the right foot. The left can't step on the left. On the right. If you get what I'm saying.
So what is the answer?
Right. I can only step right.
What? What the fuck?
Am I correct?
No!
I can only step right.
Yeah.
I can't step left with.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. I
Your
give
left
up.
foot, man.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, your left foot, man.
Sensational.
What
Can't
can
pass
you-
that one.
Can't you know that one? No, your left foot, man.
Yes.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Spell silk.
SILK.
Alright? Say silk 3 times.
Silk, silk, silk.
What do cow drink?
Milk.
Eh?
Cow drink milk. Cow drink milk.
Alright. So, cow drink, what cow drink?
Milk. Milk.
What's cow drink?
Milk.
Oh, chest. I can't breathe.
Can you spell silk for me?
Silk.
Yeah.
SLIK.
Huh?
Silk.
Yeah.
SLIK.
Spell silk.
Silk.
Yeah.
SILK.
Yeah.
Okay.
So say that 3 times. Say the word silk 3 times.
Silk, silk, silk.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
So, what do cow drink?
Water.
What do cow drink?
Cows drink water.
Which city has no people?
Desert. Oh, him say city.
Which city has no people?
Oh, city enough have people.
Which city has no people?
But city not full of people.
No, you're supposed to tell me. I'm asking you which city doesn't have anyone.
Every city have people.
So you don't know the answer.
No, no, that one there. That one there
Electricity.
new to me.
Electricity.
Oh, come on, no, Mike. What?
Yo. Yo, crazy. Guys, I'm gonna stop part of the video and I know what's at the end of the video, you see me? But thank you for all who share, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, you see me, and like up the video and everything. You see me? Right now, I'm grateful. The first video I dropped, it a go out itself. One way and a flavor, yo.